Got the first cuts this morning. Ended up with 4 nice square timbers out of that piece. There's a scrap of it hanging down there. This one was a little harder to stand up. The last one kind of just stood up in the snow, so I stabilized it with a 2x4 just nailed on there, sitting on a board down there, and then just a scrap piece kind of catching it at where it needs to be there. So we're about to mill this one. This board's thinner, so I'm doing a wider cut. Maybe on another video I'll show you how I matched up the width to the original width on that one to get the height. Anyway, it's not important. All right, got them boards cut. Got 10 of them. 8 of them are perfect. 9 of them are good. And there's 10 there. I don't recall how long they are. I think they came out a little over 10 feet. Those are sweet. This is red oak. So 9 of these probably span almost a 30-foot roof section at 10 feet in length, 30 feet wide with support in the middle, or not even. If you're an engineer, that's for you. You don't know shit. So go back to math class. Anyhow, good day. Got to use my favorite saw. I put the smaller saw up in a rack to do these cuts because they're so narrow, and the large saw just was a little too difficult to work with on here. Plus I had a fresh chain. After testing out all the brands of chains out there, I'm gonna say go with the Oregon full chisel. I mean, it's good. And skip tooth on the 32 if it's underpowered like mine. Well, if you're watching this, I hope you're having as good of a morning as I am. Sun's up. Time to go back home.